Okay, ji parents, we have got one more book update for you. This is with me English language book for grade 5. Alhamdulillah, this book is also now a video lecturing book at Giles Montessori and School. Let's analyze the benefits of the video lecturing of the books. Okay, ji. The first of all, the first and the greatest benefit is that you don't need to open up the book. Book खोलने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. बच्चों का रोज़ 5 minutes to 10 minutes जो है book settling down में होता है, तो we don't need to open up the book. The biggest advantage. Number 2. Okay, over here you're seeing this text over here. This text is one which we have exactly picked up from the book. ये exactly book का है text है, ठीक है. You can see student can see on screen reading किया कर सकते हैं. Number 2, this is backed by the voice overs, यानी कि ये इसकी ऑडियो भी अभी हमने ये म्यूट पे लगाया हुआ है, बट जो हम आपको डेमो इसके साथ अटैच करेंगे वीलॉग के साथ, उसमें इसकी ऑडियोज हैं. सो द स्टूडेंट कैन लिसन टू इट. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ लिसनिंग फंक्शन, दिस इज एन ऑन स्क्रीन रीडिंग फंक्शन. नंबर 3, with the help of the voiceovers, the audio student can also correct their pronunciation. Number 3, the biggest advantage that there are videos over there on the back end, and which also improves the understanding of the student. So this is with the video lecturing of the book. So you have got the reading advantage, the listening advantage, the pronunciation correction advantage, and at the end of the day, you can also understand what's going on in the video. So this was all about today's vlog. Let's look into the demo.
Book 5, Unit 11. Unit 11, Exploring Greece. In geography, Ben's class was exploring different countries of the world. The teacher asked each child to pick a country and write a report on it. Ben chose Greece. First, he got an information book on Greece. Then he made some notes. We wrote his notes under different headings. Here are the notes he made. Introduction. Location: Southeast Europe, in the Mediterranean Sea. Size: over 130,000 square kilometers. Population: over 10 million. Main language: